Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela Web Dev. In this video, we will try to do a simple to-do application in the C Sharp. So I will try to show you the example how I will be trying to do it. So here just I will be showing you. So run project. So if you run the project here, so here you will be able to see. I am trying to show you the output and later on we will try to do the project. So here it will ask you that hello, welcome to the to-do list and what do you want to do? So see all the to-dos, add a to-do, remove a to-do and also exit. So if you try to give any some invalid input like G or something like that, it will tell you that invalid choice. And again, it will show you that what do you want to do. And again, if you try to press S means see all the to-dos means, so then it will give you that no to-dos list available. So again, it will try to do what do you want to do. So here I am trying to show you that add a to-do. So let's try to add a to-do. So here I am giving you the add a to-do and enter the to-do you want to add it. So here it will show you something like I will do hello. Let's try. So now it has been added. So if you try to see all to dos, see all to dos, now it will show you with one hello. And if I try to again add it to do means again just you press enter, and I will try to do hello the same thing, and it will tell you that description must be unique. So that means no to dos should be the same. And again it will ask you that enter the to do you want to add. Again I will type hi something like this, and again it has been added. So if you want to see all the to-dos, yes, so you can able to see hello and hi. And the last one is remove a to-do. So if you want to remove it means, so just press R. So it will ask you that enter the index of the to-do you want to remove, hello and hi. So I can press something like 6. It will show you that select the correct index. And if I try to press enter, so it will tell you that select the index cannot be empty. And if you try to press correct one, so now it has been hello is removed from the to-dos list. And again it will ask you what do you want to do. So if you try to check all to-dos, and you'll be able to see only one to-do is available, hi, hello has been deleted. And if you at the last, if you press exit, so automatically it will be exited. So this is the to-dos list, the simple C# using this one. So you will try to implement this one. So that is what I want to explain it to you. So let's go into this one. So here I will be deleting this entire code. So here this is the entire code which I have written it. So I will be deleting this entire code. So later on we'll try to do it. So here I am deleting this one. So let's start this one. So first one is, so I will write the Console.WriteLine. Hello, welcome to the to-do list. Okay, and here I would be trying to ask something like Console.WriteLine. Okay, what do you want to do? So this is the thing, and here again I write Console.WriteLine. So here I can show, I can ask something like, so you can ask the things I have shown you, right? See all to dos and all those things. So here I can write see all to dos, see all to dos. And the other one which I want to do it is Console.WriteLine, add a to do, add it to do. And the other one which I want to do it is Console.WriteLine. Here we should be using remove a to do. And the last one which I will be trying to use it is Console.WriteLine, delete a to do. Exit. So these are the things which I would be trying to ask it. So now here I would be trying to check it. So here if I execute this one, if I try to execute this one, so here you'll be able to see, so it will be asking you hello, welcome. So and the code was been executed. So now we are able to show it. So now we need to take the user input and we need to show the data. So for taking the user input, what I need to do, so here where user choice is equal to Console.ReadLine. So now we are able to get it. So now I need to use the switch case or if case or anything, user choice. So whatever the user has been selected, and now here case, so you will be able to get the case. So case E or case E. So whatever the case it may be, small e, capital E. So what I need to do, so here I can say that console.WriteLine of exit. So I can do the exit. That's it. And I can use the break. Now next one is the case yes or case yes small s. So if it is this the case means console.WriteLine see all to do's. Okay, just I will try to use it something like this. And here another one is the case. What is that one? Add. So if it is a or case if it is a, so console.WriteLine add it to do. So add it to do. So this is one way. And here also I can use the break. And here you will be having case yes a finished, right? And the last one is the r case r console.WriteLine remove, and this one is break, and the last one is case exit, sorry not exit. So that's it I think. So 1 2 3 4, and here also 1 2 3 4, yeah, finished. And another one is default case. So last one comes the default case. So if none of the matches is console.WriteLine invalid choice. That's it. And this one also break. Let's try to add the break. That's it. So now whatever the user he is trying to enter, so we are able to get it. So now let's try to add this one. So run project, and here we are able to run the project, and here we are able to see hello welcome to the what do you want to do. And if I try to make it a wrong choice, so it will tell you the invalid choice and it is exiting. So here it should not exit. So what it needs to do instead of this one, until and unless the user gives the correct input, it needs to be it needs to be, so it needs to run again and again the options it needs to ask. So for this one what I can do it is, so here I can add a something variable like where shall exit is equal to false. Okay, so here I can loop over entire thing while not of shall exit. So here while not of shall exit, so then only it needs to run. Up to there it needs to run. So where I can make this a shall exit is true. So here in the exit I can make this one as shall exit is equal to true. That's it. So now if I try to run this one again, so let me try to run this one again. So here you will be able to see hello welcome to. So if I try to give the wrong option here, so it will again invalid choice. If I try to give the see all to do's, so see all to do's is coming. So remove a to do means remove a to do is coming. Add it to do means add it to do is coming. If I try to press the exit it's going away. So now we are able to successfully implement this one. So now let's try to implement one by one the code which we want to use it. So that is where we will be using implement the logic one by one. We will try to implement the logic. So this is the basic thing. So in the next video what I will try to do it is, we'll try to implement the add a to do, remove a to do, see all to do's and all those things. We'll try to implement it. Hope you understood about this concept. So if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.